shuffle, cut, deal, blackjack. Good morning. All right, let's get our highlighter going. And last time we did the cut card, cut and clear. Let's make a copy of that latest one. We're gonna make that F15. All right, let's go in there and let's see what we can improve on. 15. So let's play. Last time we did this cut and the deal and the clear. So we can shuffle, cut, deal, and then we have options down here. These buttons are disabled. So we're gonna stand on 17 and 8. We'll clear the table, we'll deal again until we get the last card. Today's video, we are going to go back to do to fix our split. If you recall, when we did the split, we only split on the first set. Alright, and we only split once. What if we want to split 2 times, 3 times, and 4 times? Meaning, if we get queens, we want to split the queen, and if we draw the card, we have another queen we want to split again, and another queen we want to split again. Alright, so let me show you the problem, and then we'll tackle the issues. I'm gonna go to code behind and turn on the enable the split. Right here. This is the first set. You see here. So display some subroutine. So we're gonna add command split. I'm gonna show you the problem, and we can tackle the solution together. I'm gonna do that for case 2 here, and case 3 . Alright, now we don't do the 4 because when we split the third set, it moves the card to the fourth set. Alright, so we don't split that last one. Alright, let's take a look. Take a look at the problem. Shuffle, cut, deal. See how we got a split here? We're gonna go ahead and split. See how when we split, first off, when we split, we want to draw a card right away. Alright, and the split card moves over. Alright. So we're gonna do that again. I'm gonna show you. Alright, the problem. It's clear. We're gonna split. The 7 of spades is gonna move to the set number 2. See there? And we're supposed to have drawn the number for set 1. Set 1. Instead, we're hitting. All right. Now I'm going to stand. What if I want to split this guy? See here? If I split and I hit, see there? So that's the problem. All right. So I'm going to stand. It's going to jump to the next one. And I'm going to split. See, I'm having to hit it again. You see that? Alright, we're gonna fix that problem. When we split, we want to go ahead and draw the number at the card. Alright, so let's go ahead and scoot to the back end. Look for the split right here. So what we really want to do here, when we split, well, first you gotta get your coffee first. Remember, we only have one player at the table, and that one player is allowed to split 3 times. So the first set, what we want to do here, let me show you. I'm gonna copy that and I'll show you. We're gonna do that. Then actually, so if the player hand set number 2, card 1, or card, yeah, the first card is nothing. It's nothing. Then we want to preserve that hand. We want to go ahead and give it a name, give it a card. Okay, like so, like so. And yeah, that's how that's gonna work. All right. Well, if we already split that guy, I'm gonna copy this guy right here. Oops. Actually, yeah. I'm gonna move this guy in there. Let's try again. I'm gonna copy this guy. Copy. And now I'm gonna say else. Oops. I think I copied the wrong one. I'm trying one more time. It's supposed to copy all the way up to the if. Copy. And then I'll put that if right there. Now I'm gonna check on the third one. You see. Third set. Third. And obviously this is gonna be 0. Alright. And then I'm going to check on the fourth set. Like so. This will be the 4. That will be a 4. That will be a 4. That will be a 0. And 4. My bad. That's 3. So it should be 2, 3, 4. Second set, third set, and fourth set. We are checking on the set. Alright. Now, once we move the card, this is moving the card. The second card to set 2, second card to set 3, second card to set 4. Once we move the card, alright, we want to hit. Alright. Because that hit means give me the card. Yeah. So we're gonna do this and that. Alright. Let's take a look at the first set. This guy right here. So that's clear. Deal. We're gonna split. This time because we modify that. Hold on just a second. I want to make sure I want to double check on something here. I want to check on something when we clear the table. Initialize player set. Okay, good. Okay, good. So this is where I was. Let me see if players initialize. Right here, we need to remove this preserve, cause that preserve means we only want to modify the set card number 1. All right, we want to move all the cards, cause right now, well, this first hand there's no problem, but if we had everybody else lined up right here, all the cards for set 2, 3, and 4, and this card's got 1, 2, 3, 4. We only cleared the first card here. All right, meaning that number 8 of clubs. We're not clearing the 5 of hearts, you see. But if we did this, take this out, that will remove everybody, you see. Taking that preserve out, that would remove everybody. And now we initialize that first card to empty. All right. So when I did that, I was not even thinking. Now, because we want to make sure that there's only one card in there. All right, so let's get back to our program. Yep, so if we're still playing, when we clear, we want to do that, and that's good. All right, and then double down, we'll look at that later. Yep, that's what needs to happen. See there, and then we check. See, when we clear, we want to make sure that guy, all of these guys are empty. All right, empty, not null, but empty. All right, save that. Let's see if it does what we want it to do. Split. Let's try that again. I'm gonna close it out. Try that again. Cut. Deal. All right, we're gonna split. That's how it should be. See there? That's how it should be. So when we split, we want to move that second card over and then go ahead and draw. And that's because of this right here. That's our first set right here. All right. Now we're going to split again, and it's going to do this portion. It's going to do number 3. All right. So let's do that. Actually, what happened here? It removed our split. So actually we don't even need this because now we are checking. So I'm going to take this split equals true out. I'm going to take that out. We don't need it. And the bottom here, this is the problem right here. See there? I'm going to take that out. We don't need it. All right. While we're at it, I'm going to go ahead and take the whole thing out right here. Bit. All right. So, and that's part of programming, is you tackle it and you start analyzing it. I said, okay, that's not gonna work. All right, we're gonna start all over again. I'm gonna stand. See, that's the split. You know what? Let's bring that back in, and we'll remove it later. We don't need this. All right, I'm gonna show you later. Let's bring that guy back. Okay, let's move that guy back. Save. Since we had a hiccup there, we're gonna close this form. Otherwise, it's not gonna run. All right, let's try again. Cut. Deal. All right, split. Good. We're gonna split again. That means that ace of hearts, we're gonna move over here now. Nice. We're gonna split again. That's the third one. That's third one. Let's go back to the split so that you know what we are doing right here. Now we're gonna go to the fourth one. So we're gonna do this portion right now. So let's go split. See there? That's how that works. Now if we stand, all right, it's gonna jump. Hopefully. Oh, it moves way up here. You know why? I'll show you why. When we stand, we gotta make sure we move the make sure we move this guy accordingly. You see, accordingly. Because right now we're not even checking the second and the third and the fourth and on. We're just displaying the stuff. So alright, so that's out the way. Now we want to do the stand. So when we stand here, we want to move the cursor, the player, to the set 1, set 2, set 3, and set 4. Because right now it goes from one to the other. Alright, so let's fix that. We're gonna fix that. We're going to fix that. This is where I said, hey, we're gonna take this out. Alright, so we're gonna take this out. Like so. Go back to stand right here. We're gonna take this guy out. To take that out, you just take the whole if clause. Ooh. Before I do that, I need this right here. I need that guy. I'm gonna copy that in my clipboard before I delete. So copy that first and now delete. And also remove the if on the bottom here. Now we're gonna push this guy to the front. One tap. Alright. So this is where we need to look at. It's essentially the same as the split. Alright, it's essentially the same as split. We're gonna check, hey, are you there? If you're there, I'm going to do this and this and this. Alright, I'm gonna put that stuff in my clipboard here for now. Alright, because I want to grab something else. Show you first. We basically want to check this guy right here. I'm gonna copy that. See there? That's all we have to do. So if we are at the set 1 and we're still playing when we stand, alright, if this guy, so see, we just reverse this guy. If this guy does not equal to empty, then you are the player. You are the player. Okay. You see how that works now, and then draw the card. All right, and then we'll do the same for now. I can be really fancy in here. Now I'm just gonna move this guy down here and take number 3. So if I'm case 2, I want to check on the third one. All right, and if that guy is not empty, all right, that guy is playing next. So that's third now. Here's the last. Here's the fourth one. Now if case 3 is playing, it's going to check the set 4. Alright. One thing I forgot here, but anyways, I'm going to show you what I forgot. And if it's case 4, it's nothing. Actually, that's the wrong one. If it's case 4, then player is done deal. That's where, yeah. This is what I want to do. So if case 2, then we want to do this. False. I forgot about that. Alright? Because we want to mark this guy as, hey, I'm not playing anymore. Like so. So if we are playing right now, for instance, that's not gonna work. We're gonna have to start all over again. But let me explain. After we stand or split, alright, we're gonna see, hey, if we set number 1, we're gonna check, and stand, we're gonna check, does that set 2 have anything in it? If yes, well, that guy needs to be playing. Otherwise, no, he's not playing. You see, and he's going to continue. If he's 2, he's going to check the third one. All right. If that third one is empty, then stop playing. Otherwise, give him the card. You see, give him the card. All right, save. That's that. All right, we're gonna clear and deal. Oh, down to the last card. You know what? We're gonna. That's 16. We're gonna hit. I'm gonna stand. And of course, we're out of range because hey, I thought we set this guy already. Let me see. When we deal, you know what? When we deal, we need to do this too. All right. Yeah, when we deal, we need to do this. I'm gonna copy this guy. That tells me that it did not initialize the set 2. What was that? What was it? Right here. See, we got one right here. We're playing 1. The first set is playing right here. All right, and that was just after the deal. So that tells me that it did not initialize. See there? It did not initialize number 2. So what needs to happen here? Let's go to the deal. These are the things that you gotta be a little quick right here. We need to do this. All right. So when we deal, we'll say, hey, go initialize this card first, or the sets. Let's go to the set that we modified right here. We need to initialize this. That's why it barked at us, because we never initialized this guy. See? All right, so let's stop there, and luckily we are at the end. All right, so I'm gonna close, restart, because we had the break. All right, let's try again. Cut, deal. All right, we're gonna split. All right, remember when we stand, it moves over here. So I'm gonna split again. So that's where we were. Now, if we stand, it should draw the card to this guy, number 6 diamonds. All right, that happens right here. I'm going to show you. So this is good things, because before I do, I show you too. So right here, when we stand and we are number 1, it's going to come in here. You can say, hey, 2, do you have anything in there? All right, if you do, you are going to be playing next. All right, so, and 2 has diamonds in there. All right, so let's stand. See that? It moves to deuce. All right, now we are going to hit. Also, there's a problem here. We move to deuce. So there's a problem right there when we were right here. We check this guy, and why is it Oh, got you. We need to remove this. All right, this is no right here. Okay, we got to remove this because because that was an old one. All right, we never got to test that. All right, we also are going to be doing this as well. We're gonna be redoing this as well. But for right now, don't worry about it. We're gonna keep it right there for now. All right, it's gonna bark occasionally, but we're gonna fix that later. Right now, we wanna make sure that we get these guys right. All right, let's try again. Deal, split. See there? That's the problem. It never stops. All right, it needs to jump to the number 2. See, let me show you. See, if it's not blackjack, but it is a blackjack. So if it's a blackjack, it's going to jump to the dealer. You see, that's the problem. All right, but we don't know if it's play one black or set 1 blackjack, set 2 blackjack. All right, that's why we need to fix it. But right now we're gonna draw the card, play, assuming play without the blackjack. Okay. As a matter of fact, I think it jumped over here. That's why it draw the card, right? We're gonna split this guy. Number 7 will move over here. All right, and then Ace of Hearts will get a new partner. See, Ace of Hearts did not get a new partner. Why is that? 8. He should have got. See there, it's moving, missing, and a bunch of stuff here. Let's clear that. Let's try that again. Split. So that's good. All right, and then stand, hit. Wow, that should be that's wrong. 5. Oh, that's 21. 11, that's 21. We need to fix that. All right, so that should be 21. So we're gonna stand. 15, hit, bust it, and then it move up. See that? Now it's doing it right. We're gonna stand, and it moves over here. So that's good. In the next video, we're gonna fix this label right here, push it and all that. Let's try that again. It looks like it's doing its work. All right, although we never got to case 2. Let's do case 2. All right, we know this guy worked. The number 1 works. We gotta do the case 2. All you have to do is copy this guy right here on the case 2. That's it. Copy, because this is essentially the same, and we're gonna do this like that. All right, you see there, player hand set 3. See there, it's the same thing. All right, so that's what I'm gonna do. Just take that out, nice and simple. And then on the case 3, just gonna copy that last portion. Copy, replace it with that, like so. All right, now we are going to be able to split the 2nd and the 3rd and so on. So let's deal. Hit on this one. I'm going to stand. Good. Ooh, look at blackjack. We didn't get to split. You having fun yet? All right. How long has it been? I didn't even look at the clock. But it's getting close to work time. Let's play again. Ooh, at the deal. Well, you know what? We're gonna stand. Nice. Clear. Shuffle. Cut. Nice. Deal. We'll go ahead and split since we're doing the testing. Stand. Good. We're gonna split. Good. See there? It busted and it moves right here. Nice. You see there? So that's the second set. That means this guy right here. See, it moved right to the, it drew the card for number 3. You see? Oops. See, drew the card for number 3. Alright. Now we're gonna split on the third one. On the third one, which is this guy. Alright. And it's going to do this thing. Because the third one is empty, you see. And we ask if the first card is empty, which is that guy, let's give him the card. So we're gonna split. Yeah, and that guy busted and it moves right up. All right, I'm gonna hit on that last hand. Man, bust, and whew, that was bad. But that looks good right there. I think we got it. Let's play a couple more hands. We're gonna split, hit, stand, split, stand. Yeah, when we stand, we're gonna get a new card for a Jack of Spades, just like that. Hit, bust. We're done. We could not split again. Good, and it moves right here. Wow, that was good. That wasn't too bad. That was not too bad. Let's take a look at the stand again. See the stand? See what we did there? See, we check. Before we didn't have this guy in there. Alright, we didn't have this guy in there. But now we're actually looking, hey, is that guy empty or not? If not, he's playing. How about that guy? Is that guy empty? If he's not empty, he is playing. How about this guy? Is he empty? Yes. Well, he is not playing, you see. See? And then of course, if you stand on the last set, you are automatically not playing. You're done. Alright. And that's that. And that is that. Now we need to do we allow double down on the second set? See, here's the same thing. When we double down, we need to do exactly the same thing as we stand. Alright. Basically, all we need to do is copy this guy and put it in there. That's it. Alright, and we don't need to do be playing or not playing. Just like that. And then we'll do the same thing here. And then we're gonna test it out. And then we're just gonna say call it quit today. Gotta go to work. Gotta get to work. Almost time. I need to get ready. Basically that's how we do it. And this is the 4. Actually, the 4 doesn't matter. Say when you double down on the 4, you don't do anything. This is the 4. Like so. So when you double down on the set 3, and we're looking, is 4 anything? Alright. If 4 is something, then he is playing. Alright, so that's all you need to do. Let's change this guy to 3. And that guy should be 2. Good. Alright, let's test that out. Clear? Deal? So we're gonna split on this one. Alright. Right now I want to double down just for the fun of it. I'm gonna double down. And once I double down, this guy's going to get a card. Just like when we stood. Alright, so let's double down. That's exactly what we want. You see that? That's exactly what we want. Alright. but I see this guy is, well, this guy needs to be playing. Alright, so let's take a look. That guy needs to be playing. Double down. Oh, he called stand. You double down, you stand, and you're gonna come over. You know what? Why is B playing in here? So let's double check. We don't need this. This is right. We don't need this. We're gonna bug this one. We don't need that. So let's take a look. So the problem is here. So we don't have to call this guy because we are going to do here. Okay, I got it. I got it. I got it. I'm gonna copy that guy. It looks like else. Oops. So basically we double down, all right, and if there's a card in set 2, we go ahead and let the set 2 play. Otherwise display the other sum. And stand. I think that's gonna be it. Alright, so let's go with this first, and let's see if it does what we want it to do. Here's the same right here. And of course case 2 we just do this. Case 2, I mean case 4, we just do this. Alright, save. Let's see if that works. I think that's how that works. Wow, we didn't get to play it's Blackjack already. Clear, deal, split, double down. Good. See, it moves up right here. Good. Now we can split. Nice. And we're gonna stand on 21. Looking exactly what we wanted to do, and then we're gonna stand on 19. Perfect. Look at that. But what happened here? All card is gone. What happened to our second card? the double down. It moved all cards away. Yeah. Double down. Hold on. That first card we double down. If we double down, hand set is next hand, and so that should be number. Okay. We're gonna do that after during lunchtime. I gotta go to work. Gotta get ready to work. Alright, and I'll be back. I'm gonna pause the video and I'll be back. Alright, let's get back to our our project here. What was I think we were at we were at yeah, I think we were at this doubling down. I think the issue was when we double down here, see the card right there, where did it go? There, now I remember now. Okay, so let's try that again. We want to make sure that we can double down. All right, let's examine this. Let's double down. Let's see what happens. So now that time it's okay. All right, so it's clear. Deal. We're gonna split. This time we know the second card is 5 of spades. We're gonna double down this one, 11 against a 9. But before I do that, I want to see where that 15 goes, or 5 of spades go. So it's gonna stop right here, which is the case 1 here. All right, let's double down there, and that's 1. Okay, so we're gonna get a sideways card. See, sideways card. Yep, double down card. Double down card. Okay, so I'm gonna come right here. It's gonna go right there. So now this is a third card. That's right. So number 2, you can see number 2 is a third card, and that's correct. That is correct. All right. So now it's going to say, hey, wanna you anything? We got a Queen of Hearts. You see that? It says Queen of Hearts. So it's gonna draw a card there. All right. So that's good. It's gonna go in there. For instance, I'm gonna do that. It's gonna go in there. Yep. So that's good. All right. I'm gonna release this guy. Continue. See what happens. Okay. Got 1 there. So that's good. Let's split again. Right there. What happened? What happened to the okay, so when we split that guy, so it happens on the split. It happens right here. This guy. So if we split, if it's empty, that is, yeah, I see it. Okay, I think I see what's going on. So first off, when we split, right there, all right. Well, let's stand and it's clear. Let's try again. We're gonna try again. We're gonna observe this guy right here. All right, we're gonna observe that guy. Let's deal. Split, double down. All right, now we are on the 2. We're on the 2. All right. So remember, we're not here. We are here. Yeah. So I'm gonna mark it right there, or even stop right here, just so that we know that it's gonna go in there. All right. Let's split. Good. Let's look at this. There you go. As expected. It's number 2. Number 2 is going to come in here. All right. And it's going to say, hey, Tui, are you empty? If you are, I'm going to give you a card. All right. So let's take a look at this guy. Make sure this guy is correct. That's 3 and that's 4. Ah, that's the problem. Okay, we found the problem. You see that? That should have been 2, 2, 3. All right. So yeah, there you go. That should have been that's why. So we're moving the card number 2 away. That's why. Okay. Well, you know, I mean, that's how you that's why you debug. So when we case 2 right here, this guy needs to be 2. All right, and this guy needs to be 2. And what is it? Oh yeah, yep. And the disk index set here should be 2. You see there? That. Well, I'm glad we looked into it because yeah, when we know it's there, you see, we know that 9 clubs is there, and then suddenly when we split, that 9 is gone, meaning we see we remove this guy. You see, we remove this guy. All right, 2. That should be 2, and this should be 3, 2. So we'll do exactly the same thing here. So change this to 2, there to 2, and set 2, 2. See this index. All right. So that's how that works. And you set good. This is where, yeah, just make sure that we got the 2 here, the 2 here, the 2 here, and the 2 there. Good. Now let's do the set 3. Yep. Now this 3 we can tell because of these guys right here, and this should be 3, and that should be 3. 3. Yep. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3. What? That looks right now. That looks right now. Oh, duh. Hold on. Hold on. That should be 4, and that should be 4, and that should be 4. Yeah, that was the problem there. We removed that thing. 3, 4, and that one just 4. 3, 4. Oh, we want to make sure that these guys are right. 3, 4, 4, 4, 3, 3. All right, that looks right. That looks right. Oh, hold on. Hold on. Okay, that's 2. That's 3. That's right. Good. That's it. I think we got it. All right, let's undo that and save. And we need to close this down and restart. You heard the walking. Ding on you. Cut. Deal. Split. We're gonna double down. There you go. See that card still there. Let's split stand. Good. Hit or split. Good. Stand. Perfect. Hit. That's how you do it. That's it. That's it. But you see this one, say 14 and stay. We're gonna fix that. Okay, we're gonna fix that later. Right now we're just, you know, focusing on the split and double down, split and double down, split and double down. That's the problem that we had. All right. So now we're gonna try to double down on the second one. I think we're done if we can double down on the second one and the third one, and I think the code is good. All right. So we're gonna split. We're gonna stand. We'll go ahead and double down. Good. Good. And it moves over here. Excellent. Very good. All right. Now we're gonna do double down on the third one. Deal. Darn, I want to double down on this guy, but it's okay. We're coding. Here we go. Double down. 11. Double down. Good. We're gonna split. We're gonna stand. Blackjack. We didn't get to split and double down. Let's try it again. Let's try it again. So far, so good. We're doing real good right here. All right. We're gonna stand on that one. Okay. We're gonna split on this one. We got greedy. We're gonna stand on that one, and we're gonna split on this one. We got greedy. See there? We got this guy right here. Do we want to double down? Go ahead and double down. We're gonna double down on this. We know that we're not playing on the 4. We're playing on the 3. You know why? Because the 3 only has one card. All right, let's double down on this 12 right here. Look at that. It draws a card right away over here. And double down again. Perfect. Perfect. And right at the end of the shoe. Right at the end of the shoes. Well, that is that. Do I need to recap? Okay. So, yeah. So when we split, you know, I copied this whole shebang down there, from there to there, and I never got to change this from 1 to 2. Alright, because we're on the second set, and from 1 to 3. Alright, and clear out this card and update this card. That was the problem. Okay, that was the problem. That's why the card number 1 was missing when we double. Alright, when we double, that's why the card was missing. The second thing that we had to do is when we double down right here. When we double down, we just, hey, we want to see, do you have anything there? If you're not empty, you are playing. Otherwise, you are not playing. See? Basically B, and then we do the same thing as if we are on the case 2, we check number 3. If we are on case 3, we check number 4, case 4, and then if we are case 4, we are done playing, basically. All right, and now to the stand. The stand the same way. We took out this guy, the B split. All right, the B split. That was an issue. All right, and we moved this guy from if split, do this. All right, instead we did this. We go ahead and get the sum of the label. All right, from label 2 to label 1, and then we'll say, hey, do we have any set that they're still playing? If not, we're done playing. Otherwise, go ahead and give him the card. You see, and that's what we did, and we did that for case 2, case 3, and of course, if you're on a set 4, nobody is playing after you, so you're done deal. All right. The next thing that we need to do, next video, we need to see this busted blackjack. we have no idea which set. Is it the set 1 busted, set 2 blackjack? So we have no idea. Like I said, anytime we get a busted or a blackjack, we start dealing the card to the dealer. We don't want that. We want to validate each case, meaning we want to see if this guy is playing, this guy is playing, or this guy is playing, or this guy is playing. We gotta check on all cases instead of just busted and blackjack. Alright? I think you understand what I was trying to say. Alright? We just need to know which one it is. Alright? We just need to know which one it is. Alright. That's that. Next, I got up early. Sorry about that. And it's noon time, lunchtime, and I need a little 15-minute nap. But anyways, yeah, cause I get back to work at 1. Anyways, we are going to look at the these guys right here. Alright, the blackjack and the busted in the next video. And we might, if we have time, even fix these labels right here. Winner, loser. I'm just kidding. Winner or sorry. Alright, and that's that. There is that. We have come a long way, and thank you for following. Alright, give me a thumbs up or share the video if you find it helpful. If you don't find it helpful to you, share it anyways. Always appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, share, and hit that bell. And also comment below, and if you need help, inbox me. Thanks again.